The suspended police minister Senzo Mchunu has re-emerged in the political arena, officially resuming his duties as a member of the ANC's National Executive Committee (NEC) after a 5-month temporary break. Mchunu made his first public appearance since stepping aside at a funeral service for ANC member Bheka Mthethwa in Richards Bay on Sunday, where he delivered eulogy. His return follows a period of intense scrutiny over his conduct while in office. The controversy stems from his decision to disband the political killings task team, a move he was later called upon to justify before both Parliament's ad hoc committee and the Madlanga Commission. During these proceedings, Mchunu also addressed allegations of corruption, including claims of links to a controversial tender businessman and accusations of interference in police operations. The matter gained traction after KZN Police Commissioner Lieutenant General Nhlanhla Mkhwanazi alleged that Mchunu ordered the disbandment of the PKTT on 31 December 2024 without consulting national police leadership. According to Mkhwanazi, the decision may have been aimed at shielding politically connected individuals. General Mkhwanazi further accused Mchunu of having ties to criminal networks, specifically linking him to businessman Vusimuzi Matlala. Despite the seriousness of the allegations, the embattled minister has consistently denied any wrongdoing. He has rejected claims that his decisions were influenced by criminal syndicates, including accusations of involving a Gauteng-based drug cartel. His return to NEC duties was confirmed by his private spokesperson, Zinethemba Mshengu, who stated that Mchunu voluntarily stepped aside to safeguard the party's image following the allegations. Mshengu emphasized that Mchunu is not facing any criminal charges and therefore was not compelled to step aside under the ANC's rules, and said his decision to return was not about seeking permission but informing the party leadership, adding that Mchunu's initial move to step aside was a precautionary measure in response to the accusations. Under the ANC step-aside policy, members are only required to relinquish their roles if formally charged with a crime. With no charges laid against him, Mchunu's reinstatement to NEC activities marks a significant movement in his political trajectory, even as questions surrounding the disbandment of the PKTT and related allegations remain unresolved. What's your take on this one, people? Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more news.